Sliding Heart Stack Tutorial. Here are 5 double-sided hearts created by 4 different origami designers. You can find the instructions for these hearts online in YouTube, Facebook, and other online sites. Just search for the name listed on each heart. There are several other designs online that might work. Look for the designs that are the same on front and back and have a pleat on the edge down the center. Here is what the completed stack will look like and how it operates. You can slide the hearts up or down and flip the hearts over and slide the hearts up and down. The hearts will remain connected with a glide folded between them. The next part of this video gives instructions for folding the glide. Fold side to side and corner to corner to make diagonal, vertical, and horizontal lines. Fold these lines both front and back, and then unfold. Blintz fold all corners to the center. With the smooth side up, fold the Blintz square into a water bomb. Fold and unfold the bottom corners to the center. Then reverse folds to the inside. To connect 2 hearts together, start by inserting 2 flaps of the glide inside the central pleat of the heart. You will need to lift up a layer to insert the second flap. Slide the inserted glide up and down to set the glide path. Fold the next heart in half to insert the last 2 flaps. You might have to hold one of the flaps on the first heart so the inserted flaps do not come out while inserting the flaps in the next heart. Unfold the last heart and press hard where the glide is located between the hearts. Slide the hearts carefully at first to establish a good slide path. You can press the hearts between books to better establish the glide inside the hearts. Again, slide it up several times to establish a good glide path before trying to move it very fast. Add as many hearts as desired. The only limit is that the weight of too many hearts may pull out the inserted glides when you try to lift the hearts in the air. Here I have added 10 hearts together, and they still seem to be working fairly well as long as you're a little bit careful. The less hearts, the quicker you can actually perform the sliding option.